Do you think they are 8 planets, and Pluto is not a planet anymore for so long? No. Because Pluto is not dead, she is right here after Neptune, had a brown color on her surface, had a thin atmosphere, and she is completely round. You everyone, Pluto is not a planet fans are so lying. Because Pluto is still a normal planet all along. Oh, do you think I'm lying? Well, let's really find out after when Pluto is no longer a dwarf planet anymore. Well, it starts now. Because this is not the solar system if Pluto is not a planet. When some of the astronomers sees Pluto clearly, but they will try to find the Kuiper belt, but there isn't, because she is outside the Kuiper belt and she did cleared around its orbit. Then after for a few days, the IAU made a mistake about Pluto. He discovered that Pluto is not in the Kuiper belt, the Kuiper belt is beyond Pluto instead. And now he agreed and he apologizes to everyone. So he upgraded Pluto back to be a normal planet again for good. And now everyone is much better. However, what's gonna happen in the solar system, if Pluto is a normal planet again? Well, after when the IAU re-upgraded Pluto back to be a normal planet again, then she is no longer a dwarf planet anymore, like kicking her out in a dwarf planet club, and she will rejoin the ranks of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Planet X. However, the other 4 dwarf planets will be sadly left behind. Ceres, Haumea, Makemake and Eris. Well, that's because Neptune's gravity will make the Kuiper belt go more further away to make Pluto cleared around its orbit. But then after this, when Pluto comes before the Kuiper belt instead of inside of it, the trans-Neptunian objects will be classified as the trans-Plutonian objects. That is because every dwarf planet beyond Pluto are so cold and freezing in ice. Oh, and don't forget Orcus. Neptune's gravity will maybe also take her back in the Kuiper belt. Or maybe the IAU will make Orcus to become a major planet candidate, if she has cleared her orbit. Also, hypothetically, maybe Pluto will grow a little bit bigger, and she will be larger than our moon. Then we believe the planets are bigger than our moon. Or maybe it's okay to let Pluto to be the only planet to be larger than our moon. And also, when Venus and Uranus rotate backwards, after when Pluto is a planet again since now, then we have 3 backward rotating planets in our system. I mean in 2006, they don't care Pluto anymore. But thank goodness everyone do care Pluto is a normal planet again. So that's why we brought her back in our normal planet group. So remember, when a planet is round, had an atmosphere, has gravity, and cleared around her orbit, then he is a normal planet all along. Good thing we pushed the Kuiper belt away from Pluto to make her safe and happy again. But not happy being a dwarf planet. So shame the IAU, Pluto is not a dwarf planet anymore. So from now, there will be no solar system without Pluto. And make sure when you're learning about the solar system, please for goodness sake. They are 9 planets. Do not listen to the IAU. 9 planets in our solar system since so many centuries. In fact, it's not a what if, it's official. But anyways, hope you enjoy this video. We will find out next to think something more anyway. Wait, hold on, don't leave this video yet. I forgot if Pluto is a planet again, even though it's a solid object. Then she will also be classified as an icy terrestrial. The only terrestrial planet that is outside our inner solar system, and now we have 5 rocky planets again. And don't forget, if you're making a planet presentation or a science project, please add Pluto in, and don't call or think about Pluto being a dwarf planet, or not a planet at all. Or else it's not complete and you will never win the science fair contest. And you'll maybe get an F in class for thinking they are 8 planets and Pluto is not a planet. And it will be real for you. No kidding, jokes for real. But if you believe they are 9 planets, then you get an A+. Anyways, thanks for watching.